Hi there, your computer friend Connie here. So you were in a Teams meeting, someone has started the meeting notes and you want to contribute. This is what could possibly happen as you try to type into that meeting notes area. It's telling you the section is lost, you can't go in here, and then it might tell you that there are updates, so from that other person that's contributing, and asking you if you want to discard those updates. Probably shouldn't do that, so you would want to close this. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the top right corner of that meeting notes window and hit that reload button so that it can reload the page with the other person's notes. And you may have to do this a few times, a couple times, but once you've done that, then you want to go to the three dots at the top of that meeting notes area, and the three dots is your menu that will let you choose force unlock. And when you force unlock, then you can contribute to the notes so that you're adding to the meeting notes as well. And other people will be told that you are doing some work on the notes and they are locked out. So this is how meeting notes works at the moment. If you want something that's a bit more flexible, you might want to look at Microsoft OneNote as being a tab within your Teams environment. And with OneNote, as many people as you want that are within the team environment can contribute to those notes. Nobody's locked out. Everybody can add their 2 cents in. All right, so have fun with that. Bye bye.